Hello friends, this is Dima from JetDev. Today I'd like to talk about automation. I am going to show you how do we leverage GitHub Actions to automatically create tags when someone pushes code to master branch. For our goal, I will be using GitHub and GitHub Tag Bump plugin. I just created a new repo and we see that there is no releases yet, and now I set up everything from scratch and make it up and running. Let's go to Actions page and just grab usage example. And now we are going to create new action. We can reuse GitHub's blank action template. Let's just replace the actual code with the example and rename the workflow to bump. We see that this workflow will be running when someone pushes code to master branch. The only thing I'd like to change here is with we option. Here at JetDev, we are not using prefixes for our tag names. So I will just make it false. And we are ready for the first commit. Let's just commit this code directly to master branch. And as the result, we will see the first release in our releases list. But before that, let's go to Actions and make sure that everything is working. Yes, and this yellow circle tells us that the first action is really running. And right now, we see that container with GitHub tag action was built and the job is completed. Let's check our releases. Yes, we have something here. Let's check. And here it is. We have our first major release. You will be asking, okay, how can I create minor release or patch release, for example? It's actually not a problem with this action. Let me show you how. Let's go and create new pull request and merge it. And we will change minor version here. Minor version test. Let's just create new pull request. Let's name it minor. And create it. Here we go. We are ready to merge minor change to master branch. Let's just click merge pull request and use title to tell our action how to behave. We will add minor tag and commit the code. As a result, we will see that new action should run. Yes, that's it. Let's check it. And now workflow is starting. It's building. GitHub Actions are run inside Docker containers. Okay, that's it. Let's check the result. And here we go. We have minor release. So what we see, really in a couple of minutes, we can set up a task which will help us a lot. So I just propose you to try it. We are using it and we are happy. Thank you for watching. Bye.